In today's matchup, we have Black River Primary from St. Elizabeth going up against Monsignor Colin Pryan Prep from St. Catherine.
Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternative with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss and Monsignor Colin Pryan Prep won. They decided to have Black River Primary play first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so with that time on the clock, we begin with you, Black River Primary, in Bible knowledge. What's the last book of the New Testament?
Revelation.
That's correct. Monsignor, Bible knowledge. Which is the second to last book of the Old Testament? Question passes. Black River, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Zechariah. Black River, science. Name the outer layer of the tooth.
Enamel.
That's correct. Monsignor, science. What's the name given to the pointed teeth behind the incisors?
The canines.
That's correct. Black River, Jamaican affairs. What's the name of Jamaica's national bird?
Hummingbird. The hummingbird.
Accepted. Or the swallowtail hummingbird or the doctor bird. That's correct. Monsignor, Jamaican affairs. What's the name of Jamaica's national flower?
Lignum vitae.
That's correct. Black River, English language. What's the feminine form of a bull?
Cow.
That's right. Monsignor, English language. What's the masculine form of a sow or sow? Time's up. Black River, want to try?
Yes, thank you. A boar.
Boar is correct. Black River, still with you in television. Give the name of the superhero who uses green arrows to help him in battle.
Arrow.
That's incorrect. It's Green Arrow. Monsignor, television. Give the name of the superhero who fights evil with the aid of a ring that grants him a variety of extraordinary powers.
Green Lantern.
That's correct. Black River, general knowledge. What is meant by walking in Indian file?
Walking in a straight line. Walking in a straight line.
That's incorrect. The correct answer is walking one behind the other. Monsignor, general knowledge. What is meant by Hobson's choice? Time's up. Black River, want to try?
Yes, thank you. To make your own choice.
That's incorrect. It means no choice at all. Black River, social studies. What were the Arawak or Taino gods called?
Zemi.
That's correct. Monsignor, social studies. What were the Taino chiefs called?
Kasik.
That's correct. Black River, music. What's another name for the 1/64th note?
G.
That's incorrect. It's a hemi-demi semiquaver. Monsignor, music. What is the collective name for sharps and flats?
Just a quarter. It's notes. Just say notes.
Question passes. Black River?
No, thank you.
They're accidentals. Black River, mathematics. What is 2/3 divided by 4/5?
Five, six.
That's correct. Monsignor, mathematics. What is 5/6 divided by 4/7? Time is up. Question passes to Black River.
Yes, thank you.
I need the answer, Black River.
Yes, thank you. 35/24.
35/24 is correct.
At the end of round 1, Black River Primary has the lead with 8 points, while Monsignor Colin Bryan Prep has 4 points.
Stay with us, the Junior Challenge Face-Off is up next.